welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Scrum process, a powerful Agile framework that helps teams deliver high-quality products efficiently. Whether you're new to Scrum or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will cover everything you need to know, from roles and events to best practices and tips for success. Let's dive in. Scrum is a framework within Agile methodology designed to help teams work collaboratively to develop, deliver, and sustain complex products. Originally created for software development, Scrum has expanded to various fields, including marketing, design, and project management. The core principles of Scrum are transparency, inspection, and adaptation, allowing teams to be flexible and responsive to changing needs. In Scrum, work is broken down into smaller, manageable chunks, known as sprints, which typically last between 1 to 4 weeks. This iterative process allows teams to review progress frequently and make adjustments as needed. There are 3 key roles in Scrum: Scrum Master, Product Owner, and the development team. Scrum Master: think of the Scrum Master as a coach or facilitator. Their job is to ensure the team follows Scrum principles and practices. They help remove any obstacles that may impede the team's progress and foster an environment of collaboration. Product Owner: the Product Owner represents the stakeholders and customers. They are responsible for defining the features of the product and prioritizing the work in the product backlog to maximize value. The Product Owner bridges the gap between the team and the customer, ensuring that the product meets the user's needs. Development Team: this is a cross-functional group of professionals who do the actual work of delivering a potentially shippable product increment at the end of each sprint. The development team is self-organizing, meaning they decide how best to accomplish their work, which fosters creativity and ownership. The combination of these roles ensures that the Scrum team is well-rounded and capable of delivering high-quality products. Scrum relies on 3 main artifacts to provide transparency and opportunities for inspection and adaptation. Product Backlog: a dynamic, prioritized list of everything that might be needed in the product. It's managed by the Product Owner and continuously evolves as new requirements emerge. Sprint Backlog: this is a subset of the product backlog items selected for a sprint, plus a plan for delivering the product increment and realizing the sprint goal. The development team owns the sprint backlog, and it's a living document that changes as the team works through the sprint. Increment: an increment is the sum of all the product backlog items completed during a sprint and the value of the increments of all previous sprints. The increment must be in a usable condition regardless of whether the product owner decides to release it. These artifacts ensure transparency and help the team stay aligned with the goals of the project. Scrum incorporates a set of events designed to create regularity and minimize the need for meetings not defined in Scrum. Let's walk through these events. Sprint: the heart of Scrum is a sprint, a time-boxed period usually lasting 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, the team works on the sprint backlog to deliver a product increment. The sprint provides a fixed timeframe for the team to work towards a common goal, allowing for regular inspection and adaptation. Sprint Planning: at the start of each sprint, the team holds a planning meeting to decide what can be delivered in the sprint and how they will achieve that work. The product owner presents the highest priority items from the product backlog, and the team selects what they can commit to completing. Daily Scrum, also known as the Daily Stand-Up: this is a short, 15-minute meeting held every day at the same time and place. The team discusses what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and any obstacles they face. This keeps the team aligned and allows for quick course corrections. Sprint Review: at the end of the sprint, the team presents the increment to stakeholders in a sprint review meeting. This is an opportunity for stakeholders to provide feedback, which is then added to the product backlog for future consideration. Sprint Retrospective: following the sprint review, the team holds a retrospective to reflect on the sprint that just ended. The goal is to identify what went well, what could be improved, and what changes the team should make in the next sprint to be more effective and enjoyable. These events are the backbone of Scrum, promoting transparency, inspection, and adaptation throughout the development process. Let's see the Scrum process in action. Here's how a typical sprint might unfold. Sprint planning: the team gathers, reviews the product backlog, and decides on the sprint goal. They select the highest priority items they believe they can complete during the sprint and move these items into the sprint backlog. During the sprint, the team collaborates daily through the daily Scrum, adjusting their plan as needed to achieve the sprint goal. Sprint review. At the end of the sprint, the team presents the completed increment to stakeholders for feedback. This helps ensure the product is evolving in the right direction. Sprint retrospective. The team reflects on the sprint, discussing what went well, what didn't, and how they can improve. They identify actionable changes to implement in the next sprint, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. This iterative cycle repeats with each sprint, allowing the team to adapt and evolve as the project progresses. By breaking work into small, manageable increments, Scrum enables teams to deliver valuable products regularly and respond quickly to changes and feedback. To get the most out of Scrum, here are some best practices and tips. Ensure clear communication. Regular, open communication is key. Encourage team members to express their thoughts and concerns during meetings. Focus on incremental improvement. Use the sprint retrospective to continuously identify and implement improvements. Maintain a healthy product backlog. The product backlog should be regularly refined to ensure it reflects current priorities and provides clear guidance to the team. Foster a collaborative environment. Scrum thrives in a culture of collaboration and mutual respect. Encourage teamwork and collective problem solving. Use metrics wisely. Track key metrics like velocity and burn-down charts to monitor progress and identify areas for improvement. But remember, metrics are tools for insight, not rigid performance measures. By following these practices, teams can enhance their productivity, creativity, and satisfaction. In summary, Scrum is a powerful framework that helps teams navigate complex projects with agility and precision. By focusing on collaboration, continuous feedback, and iterative progress, Scrum enables teams to deliver high-quality products while adapting to changing needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on Agile methodologies and effective project management. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, keep scrumming.